Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to do binary to decimal conversion. So each position in a binary number has a place value that is a power of 2. So starting from the rightmost digit moving left, you would go from 2 to the 0th power, 2 to the 1st power, to the 2nd power, 2 to the 3rd power, and so on. And to convert binary to decimal, you would need to multiply each bit, which is 1 or 0, by its place value and then add them all up. So for example, here we have the binary number 1001. And as you can see here, we're multiplying each bit. For the first one, it's 1. The next one is 0. The next one after that is 0, and then 1 by its place value, which we discussed over here is going from right to left, and that's going to be 2 to the 0th power, 2 to the 1st power, 2 to the 2nd power, and 2 to the 3rd power, and then we add them up. Here I've highlighted the ones that are not zeros as purple, so you can see that here we're just adding 8 plus 1. The zeros don't really make a difference for the value, and that's 9. So if you want, you can remove these zeros if you feel like they're kind of messy. Here's another example. We are converting this binary number, 11000011, to a decimal number. And here we're doing pretty much the exact same thing. We are just adding the products of the bit times its place value. So here you can see that we're going all the way to 2 to the 7th because that's how long this number is. And again, the zeros don't really mean anything. They're not adding value, but it's good to just write them down so you know that the place values are there. And here we get 195 after doing that. And this also works for decimals, fractional binary numbers too. Bits to the right of the point use negative exponents. So as you can see here, we're doing the exact same thing for the binary number 1010.11. And we're doing the exact same thing up till this point, but from here, which is right of the decimal point, we have place values that have negative exponents. And you can see that here. Since we have 1, 1 here, we have 1 times 2 to the negative 1 plus 1 times 2 to the negative 2. And then we add up all of our products and we get 10.75. So I hope this helped you out. I hope you learned how to convert binary to decimal. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.